In this video, you'll learn how to create an event. From the admin dashboard, click the Create Event button. Next, enter the details of your event. The only thing required is the name of the event, as indicated by this red asterisk. You can also enter additional information about the dates, the location, or the description. When you're done, click the Continue button. If your event has any tournaments, add them by clicking this purple plus button. This is not required. As you can see here, fill in the required fields, name and number of games. If you decide you don't want the tournament, click the minus button and that will remove it. I'm going to click this twice to add 2 tournaments. You can select the tournament type here, such as singles, team, or round-robin singles. If you're adding a handicap tournament, check the handicap enabled box. 2 additional input fields will appear and you'll need to enter the based on percent. For example, enter 90 for 90%. You'll also enter the based on score. Here I'm saying that the handicap will be applied where it's 90% of a score of 220. Once you're done, click the Continue button. Now we're on to brackets. If you're adding any brackets to your event, click the plus button. Again, there's only one required field here, which is a name. If you need to remove a bracket, click the minus button. I'm going to go ahead and create 2 brackets for this event, a scratch and a handicap. You can change the type here to singles or teams. You can also change the number of players per bracket from anywhere from 8 to 256. If you're adding a handicap bracket, check the handicap enabled box. 2 additional input fields will appear and you'll need to enter the based on percent. For example, enter 90 for 90%. You'll also enter the based on score. Enter those and click Continue. Here we have the game details page. This allows you to set the way that scoring occurs. For example, if you want to do a standard scratch tournament, simply enter 1, 2, and 3 into the drop-downs. What this does is it makes sure that the first game played has its score applied towards the first round, the second game played has its score applied to the second round, and so on. However, if you wanted to do something like a reverse tournament or bracket, all you would have to do is change the order here. This way, the score of the first game goes towards the third round, and so on. This does, however, allow for some additional options, such as a mystery, where you can say your second bold score applies first, and so on. You can do any unique combination you can think of, like applying a first round score and then a third round score getting applied twice. Again, I'm just doing it standard here. If you don't enter these, you'll receive an error message when you click the Save button, just to make sure that you've done everything correctly. Once you're done, click the Save button. You'll be taken back to the dashboard and the event you've created will be added here.